All right, so in order to add the cookie policy, all we have to do is to go to the dashboard and let's go to plugins. So always add new. Let's search for a specific plugin called cookie, right? Cookie. Now, let's just wait here a second. This is the one, Cookie Yes GDPR, cookie consent and compliance. Click on install now. That is the plugin, and activate. So now that's all you have to do, right? You have to do nothing else. So if I go to my incognito window, let me just click enter here to refresh the page. You can see right here that now people will have this privacy policy thing. And so if they click accept, it won't show. And they can click it again here and it will show, and they can read our cookie policy, right? Now, if they scroll down 20%, you can see a pop-up, which is pretty good. Will help us capture emails. And I believe this is the end for this. I believe the website looks pretty good. I don't know what you think. Please let me know if you need any improvements, if you need any help. Please let me know if some of you struggled with the hosting, if you struggled with some technical issues, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to accompany you through your journey. Thank you very much. See you later.